na near Elbow Bar America first statement or making a put to fear. Even as at now, baby, your mind Ghana Yejina. I CD to dollar and another than Kwako for the young cry, Yadeboto, Ebekwako Shimu. In all these, from Uganda's experience and everything, the internationally effective and as a bill way on Ghana's economy and international ties. The person best for this discussion is Farouk Al Wahab, or international diplomatic consultant. Senior, good morning and happy Ghana month.
Good morning, boss.
I'm Pacho Abusiafo nyina ho ye de.
Inshallah, on Friday, Juma Karim.
And on Friday, you could Asante Mekra Day na on behalf of my team, Mamenka said thank you very much. What follow discussions after Parliament passed a bill, Okleke Ghana LGBTQ bill. All the international media portals, the BBC, the Al Jazeera, the Deutsche Welle, and the everybody, Omunkwana a project, and the statement to America, Omo ambassador to Ghana, Eddie Atwidja. What is going on in Ghana? In the eyes of the international community, the economic effect was our bill way so.
There is no economic effect on Ghana as far as a country they're in Ghana, on independent since 1957. On the flag. Red, gold, green. Last year, and yet blue, red, whatever, and now yellow, gold, black, and now say orange, and now say any other country. There were a national anthem, and you were your citizens, from Ghanaians. And you have a passport, your friend Ghana passport. You were your into you can call, say, a sovereign state, sovereignty rights. Yes, we are part of the international community. We subscribe Ghana to international protocols. Anything at the peace, we as a Ghana subscribe. Anything at the democratic enhancement dispensation, any democratic credentials, Ghana in such as here. Any form of abuses, Ghana were criticized at the international forum. Your foreign policies, and then Ghana, you are one of the democratic and liberal nation on the continent of Africa. Brofono, and you say the beacon of democracy, and you Nanado Danko Kufa the Kanya Kufa president, and you woman in the Kanya. Brofono says the beacon of democracy is Ghana, a symbol of Africa. Now, there are 40 million. Rough calculation, 35 million populated nation. And there were 275 parliamentarians. Because nipa 40 million in Nyantim parliamentary, we are Ghanaian parliamentarians. In the constitution, I am your constituencies. Your constituency is 275. I have represented the entire Ghana. And your men and women 275 to make laws for this country. Now, America, any other part of the world, and then in the Ghana election, Jessica, bigger than any other country in Africa. No, the American election, be said. Between you and I, me no there as Ghanaians, and you my papa Biana said the parliamentarians in here because I'm not sure you come no, and you want you man no more yet. Name a combat say your democracy there, your poor ba. Ubia de ne fingerprint ekoje abato kama yebobaba yembo obia sum yinkum obia president bia naji president bia ni exile opposition leader bia ni wana ya na yesa abrofo no European Union e bia na mo me nti sa nipa we mu amomo sponsor any sa country ya who sponsor no elections in the democratic dispensation and in the parliamentary affairs parliamentary training European Union tuabi parliamentary nyama me bebia projects at parliament no be trebi because some Ghana parliament. Now Koyan Emradia are representing the 275 constituencies. Must see a buafu. It does not stand in any books. Says a country be passed a bill on the country. International partner be say consequences. Obama, an African president, indigene, how by American president, Okoka LGTB kill plus once more Kenya or one country. What did you catch? Of course, Zimbabwe, what did you catch? It is very clear. The clear sense in it, me, the Ghana government, and the people of Ghana, it will be very, 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 very sad. Unfortunately, sir, they are not my personal. If there is Excellency the President, so I can say, the signature, that is a different constitutional interpretation. But as far as the bill, no, both houses, MPP, NDC, and Romina Kabum, majority, and Yan Romaden, I carry the vote, I vote to assign it, I pass the bill, no. As a constitutional instrument and as a constitutional order. Next, I will say, Ghana will face consequences. I'm throwing it to all of us as a question. United States of America, out of their 56, how many of them are gay rights? 87.9 Kumasi. About more than 14 to 15 to 16. They don't allow, they don't agree gay marriage in the state of United States. United States of America, until Madam Kamala Harris, Obaba district attorney, the vice president today, 49th vice president of the United States, Obaba district attorney, San Francisco, and also process our law no. Obaba state attorney, California, and also a transgender bill. That's we are Accra. We are from 15 years. Now you're back. That's all person Danny Bema state in Honka. Problems or their tongue of former source, Crunoson, or California. Yes, it's hostel or depressional homes. Oma change your gender. Now, Oma depresses say no meaning the no fee say if you try the bear man and banana, you better yan back. These people are there all because of Kamala Harris. And Obaha, and Obedience Parliament, and one Fesikama, and one American school once, and one American BBI once. I do Gina side by side, shoulder to shoulder, any president, and no president, me president say. Ghana making sure such a proposal now be our parliament, We one would have expected. Said the president at the time had the opportunity to tell her, say, the pacho emfa. And a president can't bro from or different fan chain or different fan chain. In conclusion, he rided right to tell them that every generation make the lonely issue. And as far as he's concerned, we say we would look into that. Seriously. Now my mom has a question. United States of America. Brunei, the population, yes, or call it the bloc. 87.9 Kumasi. Qatarians say 250,000. They don't subscribe to American pressure on that. We're passing a bill. Kuwait, the population, say, is not up to 500,000. Kingdom of Jordan, Kingdom of Morocco, Kingdom of Libya, other countries. And including the Caribbean countries, most of them, and even the countries in the same Western Hemisphere, they don't have that bill passed. They have those bills again. Now, I know now America, I say, Ghana bear economic consequences. But let me educate you and your listeners and the Ghanaians say, my agent said that it is not true. A bad governance. And if you share the moon, and I beg to use the word, and it's a bit, and you the idea of what to almost. She said, so we are gigi. Akoma FM presenter. I know you are an experienced broadcaster or journalist. I also console Mechi. But Mimusa said, America was president, and Oma Benya president, Chile. That right, I want to go so against it. Yes or no? The answer is yes. Why? Trump.
Yes.
Trump or America. They campaign, and only they campaign. one day on Tiasa and on Tiasa, obey a president 4 years, one mark, I don't know the campaign at the winning on tolerate now on my America quite on my that's right and on support to obey a president. Me pacho US ambassador no US war.
Oh,
Akoma FM 87.9.
Opposition. As I woman who are be president of the United States and running a campaign message. Yachino. Have they arrested Trump? Bill Clinton, did they arrest him? Al Gore, did they arrest him? About your Israel, America, we attack Israel over gay rights.
Darby.
We attack Israel.
Darby.
Ghana and Israel, him for the Dawson. Ghana and Israel, him for the Dawson. How many countries in Middle Europe? How many countries in Eastern Europe, including Hungary, are more set bills against? Now, where Jaho, now embassy is not cancelled because we have a certain Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Now allow diplomats to dictate and determine the destiny of our parliamentary, your friend is saying, parliamentary works. The parliamentary approval, you should rather, even as they do and they've been doing for us, slap. They are representing the entire Ghana. And if they have spoken, it means that Ghana have spoken. And so, why are you against? Why are you against our democratic dispensation and our democratic records? And for that matter, our parliamentary approvals and disapproval. Law now, are the same parliament. Any parliamentarians, sign loan. I had the destiny. I had the poverty line. That loan render country. It says, common. Other than that loan, they are Moncasa or home. See parliamentarians, woman, Yajumapa. Contracts are your parliamentarians, and it down bonny woman signing a man ended this country. Your friends are judgment debt, you know. Yana Western for Romkata. Because companies now do Mukabiano and your Ghana company, Western company. Alan and Yomunkas almost sanction Ghana. It is a complete joke. I don't care you'll be adding a life there, me personally. So this or a right activist or a LGBTQ plus. Now Q plus is minimal de code. Q plus, do you know what a Q plus is? Is queer plus.
Mm-hmm.
The queer plus tells you, say, nipa bi betime nya ho akwan ama sabi waware aboa one another. For Sweden, for Denmark, for Norway, there were horse chamber. And nipa da sani oba ko ema horse ene ne da. Ibema ko ekoda oni donkey eda. Enu nyame masem. I will never condemn it and I will never support it. But when it comes to the issue of national, outside the national, and once I'm there, then I'm saying, say, I don't care about the embassies, councillors, diplomats, almost some of the national international tabloids. So Al Jazeera can't down at once. Al Jazeera and headquarters in Qatar. Or Salon no. Qatar or Salon no. So who is Al Jazeera to comment on that topic? Al Jazeera and headquarters in any Doha. Again, Al Jazeera on Casa Qatar for liberalizing. Do they do that? Is Brunei bigger than Ghana? Istimo, on Ukraine, there are many scared media. They even have those bills passed. East Timorese, Indonesia. In a country, any video pass here. American Gasa, Obia is silent. Not Ghana ko pass the bill. Me, that aspect is where I do not agree. Now, let me tell you, the heat. The heat in the set. One winning there, then learn it today. Abrofunu, any Ghana migration, any Ghana government, Ministry of Interior, or Yahweh said, diplomacy, especially the Dutch, the Danish, any other embassy on records, or your ambassador Bema Oba, or the resident permit a man a year and a new crew. ne yire no ordinary ban eye bema ne spouse Ghana issue visa mo da bia
wow
Akoma FM Ghana issue visa me diplomat home spouse oba ne spouse oba Holland embassy do not say home spouse here or your oba ne spouse here oba eno ni omo problem because what passes are there na wuntimi issue sa visa ni mabiem ambassador bia o bema ontimi nfa ne bema ma say ne spouse no obeji spouse visa
okay
papa what na problem no
okay
Akoma FM 87.9
Canadian embassy no or your friend is saying or counselor ne fast here Chinese officially into where no of course we are master that we have resident permit of the country to run Omuba no I get to send the wife's visa to send the Ghana the ambassador so more America near that no the ma SOG country no resident permit unko terms so to diplomatic passport they free no and this idea na ya pass bill no immigration and Ghana Minister of Interior they cease to issue those visas. You can't pass a law and do different things. It's only to me issue. And as I say, I pass a bill no the president has sent in the signature that was happening now. Oh diplomats almost pass here ma to a ma Bema to a man. As a Ghana declining service the thing now. I want a problem no. You are born as a nation. Knowing what we do at our diplomatic cycles and then our foreign policies and the Ministry of Interior say, case bar. They try say almost suppress it. They be ma speeches. Our plan say victims say was some kwan roka. We need the okeka. But the reality no yet mono.
Matthias, but somebody will ask, bro, Uganda pass a law way. You see the sanctions are any effect about one soon. Scanners said
Papa, Uganda, so school, Mission school. You're spelling UGANDA, Uganda. Uganda, the capital Kampala. Ghana, GHANA. The man spelling wrong there. The capital Accra. Ugandans are Ugandans. Ghanaians are Ghanaians. The two economies are not the same. Uganda, America. One man, Kaguta Museveni, a president of Uganda. Who sponsored him to overthrow Obote? Who sponsored them to stage a coup against Idi Amin? Uganda was American protege. In the country, be American shoulder. Now our president be a wabwa president da. Southside say we go against what they want and they have a problem with you. Now okay Uganda some no. Paul Kagame the boss in Uganda. Paul Kagame no Ugandan army. Paul Kagame onye president of Rwanda. And the boss in Kaguta Museveni. I didn't think you sanction Uganda. You sanction your president Paul Kagame. Or Rwanda. It is country by country basis. What America needs from Uganda is not the same thing they need from Ghana. So I mean, Uganda also raw materials. Yes, there are raw materials. You need America for diplomatic friendship. Young country Ghana. You developing partners. America, Uganda, only any developing partner. For your information, Ghana a developing partner since independence. 6 permanent. America come, UK come, Germany come, Japan come, Canada come, and your friend is saying, which country again? Only 6. Only a permanent developing partners. And you can defense budget America for every year before your budget, our defense budget or the Mayan. UK or my education budget. And no my infrastructure kakra. Germany or technology and infrastructure. Japan or technology and infrastructure. Holland or interior. Minister of Interior, Migration, Police in India, Maniama, Holland for efficient. I'm educating you and the Ghanaians. Your immigration, smart systems, our airport, is Holland government. I want to or support your any parliamentary in Maniama. Canada, through the CEDA, Canadian International Development Agency no oboyen. Japanese through the ODA, Overseas Development Agency, oboyen. Permanently. At the house. Now, only Uganda was na. An agreement I'm saying you almost had the ho. It didn't know yes, American focus on the military a yiba hasinu. Then and people can no mamu kwasum no a defense pact. These are the benefits. And then about American foot team West African High Command and the US Embassy or cantonment signed by President Kufuor Mungobusan. The whole West Africa, Ghana Embassy, US Embassy in Accra, and the West African United States High Command. So we need the American show. It was only here and say, it is ambassador and say, Omubu Afua, Onkobusa said, Yaman speaker, Yaman microphone, no launch a campaign against President Trump. The Konon number one crew, ambassador now crew, and one Trump now crew, and the United States say, or no, their own support. It is also Magana sanctions that Trump be president, that sanctions will be hold. Papa be hold.
I don't think.
Sanctions be anyhow. I have no una. And one thing, Amaka or other place. Akoma said Rwanda, Uganda, and some countries said, ya hold you the visa and I have imposed visa restrictions on some of the officials. Then how American embassy or best selected parliamentarians near us as almost to Abano, either open ballot and a secret ballot, no more. It's one room best sanction, Abang Babin, and our President Kufado, and our vice, and as the Minister of Foreign Affairs, and our Chief Justice, and our mind. Country be our America, the was dealing on any deal.
Now, me bacho, uti Mame Virginia Palmer, or said this decision will affect Ghana's international reputation and its economy.
Okay, international reputation, Israel.
If enacted,
Israel will kum nipa bepemne. Ogusu kum Palestinians. Affect your international reputation in the state in the same reversal entry of that question to pose back.
But Rebecca says Israel for the at least omudi omunkui. But Ghana any warrior.
It is not true. And then Amicho said the country does not communicate well. The Bachon country I will be Asia Asiana ya auction da.
Dabi.
Has any country ever been auctioned?
87.9.
Your country be a doma to so I turn because here turn mu any municipal one will be that.
Dabi enye bi da.
Your policies and your person about modify your governor. And as I speak to you now, His Excellency Madabiu, President of the Republic of Sierra Leone, ordered the entire government, Yojanu Kromo the Vice President, ordered the governor, ordered the Finance Minister, the Chief Ministers, the Foreign Ministers, or big Biara was a Leone cabinet member, including agencies and Odoma Guple Mumma, Omo Canada, China. Even by Constitution of Sierra Leone, a president cannot move government and stay away out of 72 hours is an international policy. The president with a small cabinet can travel for 1 week, it doesn't matter. The entire government for 5 days. Oma kola Thursday the pimne. Omunyamai. Or support or whip up the enthusiasm and the attraction of the Chinese. And first na. Omutina British woman in your way, American member in your way, and it's an in your bro, and you watch and you say, China for the China for the in any case. And let me take this opportunity also to educate us. Chinese or no you're a developing partner or you're a business partner. Or a business partner said, on it there or the Juma ba. On it there, who be able to Obama bribe or real or resources or a businessman. When I saw for individually. But let's put that one aside. Yanko Kumasina Wotin. Next time, American company will have a Ghana for 5.
Baako kura ni ha.
Some American restaurant will be the war.
Baako kura ni ha.
Some American almost truck will be 10 war. Germany restaurant ɛwɔ hɔ. Next time UK ni restaurant ɛwɔ Ghana Kumasi. Next time UK company Ghana for you mo adwuma. Na compare to Chinese for afa Ghana for adwuma. Plus minus. Next time India for Ghana for ma for adwuma. Next time Lebanese for Ghana for ma for mukadi for the bigger countries. And this will be true. And China for the creators like that. For a trader, for a merchant. When I bear law, man, 1 year law, now man chance. So much no class, or very war account, or very frog. Would you cold gold man will be when I saw man in law? And I bet your own pay. But if you allow them, they grow your economy with you, with your people, because they come down to the level. Why would Chinese no show to what either?
Gabi.
What would be that?
Almost a chale, almost to board there, Nina, no more table.
Presidency, Chinese delegation bar, Ububefu. President Mills, I'm in front of the no castle. I'm quoting because I was part of the meeting. Chinese delegation be by. That was something to do with Chinese. So some of us knew the group. Of course, it was part of our consultancy. And a Chinese delegation be by. Papa, them crana yani ye originating woman visiting. You question my airport na no ordinary. Papa, and kwasa so China for the buy no.
Nika.
You see say play mu no matna. And I said, "Omo body open loose dress." Adechi ya kwa mu hotel. Edu mako na Watan Palace.
87.9 Kumasi.
Area ho. Ya do mako presidency. That time the Chinese, the Ghana secretary to the president, Bebaku Mensah, on and prepare the ground for this Chinese team. And some few government officials, more finance money agade. Pasa, neduni. Ya moko bisa before former governor Chinese before about presidency. Now I'm quite a t-shirt a show mood.
These are much more on a Michelle coat for
we about one. We will answer one. Why do you drive and come to our president? Also, what I'm coming to discuss is important, not my dress.
Wow.
Straight up. Not president, other transit, not Ghana leaders, type Bobia Mim.
Why Bob Pampe, shoe,
perfume. Make a damn mutum pepe, Makranta graduate from Bantama Makranta. About time.
All because who Babeshi international diplomats.
Mr. who presented because you are Ghanaian, but media Chinese one day, now media minimum because you know my name me PP. Because the Chinese group will call Gabon. Gabon, who blew her, who called Gabon presidency. Bema Bia, we are Bema, Sabi, Utia Bema, Rawa. You can't go there with check after and crab about time to do our fatai and qua near do a tie room up for the China, they are saying, wow, more respect, no. You are the Chinese for koi. And your core president, you are
Bongo.
Yes, on Dimba, no, my Bongo, no partner, or Dimba and Kasa, Ketwan, or Dimba ho. And you do a chroma for purpose of a ye, Kazi Simi, why a foreign minister will chroma be, Okobi. You do honor, You do honor. Oh, my Chinese for their room cry back. You are a Kaja bridging, just
87.9 Kumasi.
Oh, Mamma Kaja, whatever. Ramba College for no account. No account. Papa, you do almost a t shirt. And I have a voice and I'm a shirt to see your shirt in a Cheyenne. I know about what's the problem is home say, oh, by your but tie, or the time or the same coom. Why a t shirt and factor so we have them.
Wow.
You got that, you know, Dimba. Sadana, oh, yeah. Sadana, yeah, you say. The people will talk, the words you talk, people will talk here and the one here is everything. Stand all on I did my sense or you and the time they say Umukumu and also Sidium. And also you are real Chinese. I understand you don't change your nature. Because one more who they are here. Japan ni ba ukrom no ba for official meeting. Obedi 10 days and a shirt back, white shirt, black trousers back, no. The laptop ne send kum. Ubi my dear Dominic toothbrush and then a hairbrush, no. A Juma no by no.
I don't know what
for officials, 2 coin. I got 3 days. Say UN General Assembly and answer President to Columbia Chekwa. Master, for her suitcases. For her suitcases. 3344.
How do you call life?
Oh, what 3 years worth for shoes 30. Winter no for sandals or for slippers, or for shoe or for boots. Who will send a back at you so? A boy I would dress I know how I confuse you with the onion. Should we? I don't know. Which I am and I am yes, sir. But I mean, they know. Because no to cry.
So, Mammy Missa, what would a dear Bema Nanado Danquaco Fado unsigned this bill?
My bill, my said, the Mimi Hunu, and now what I can read in between the lines. And I do a real sentence, a real terms. Obey Yato, obey delay. The pressure now walk on. Onu no mene kasa. Onu no mene be kasa. And I've mentioned said Kamala bae no. Na before Kamala no. Na do anya kwan at the UN General Assembly that year. Akasa before say Kamala the previous year. He's not. And the same for one year around the story. I'm say journalist go buy and Kroma mo can be say when men yen man can say Professor Mills can no. He didn't answer. The full visit and the Kamala Baye. It's the Ghana Parliament, and parliamentarians in war, and president in war. Kamala Kofa topic in Bayano. It should have been the perfect opportunity for Nanado to kill it off. And 1 year. And if me, I find it very, very difficult. So Nanado be signing. Nemos one sign. It will also affect him. It will affect his political career. Political career doesn't matter, say, why are they? Where the president JV? Because said, who are parliamentarians, who are majority? One are majority. So if we are talking about almost signing this bill into action, you better say majority. Technically, but what you say?
Yeah.
Do you understand me?
Yeah, me too.
Our parliamentary system, it must be regarded as said.
Yeah.
The act of NPP, NDC, any minority, so we are 138. And that's only about even 134 cry. And that's the NPP for Akokan, a majority now. The 2 NPP cry no Kokan. Technical understanding the parliamentary proceedings and just the government in a pass a bill. So what are you talking about? Say, parliamentarians, I pass a bill now, so we pass it. Leave some judge. A private bill will propose here.
Yeah.
Or propose a private bill. And we'll push agenda. And we'll simulate a conversation. And I will do this stage. It is a bill here passer. And yeah, NDC for the pass a bill. It's MPP that pass the bill. Let's see how MPP government, MPP president would decline to sign a bill passed by his government. There is the technicalities behind it.
The president had a very tough time, and
okay.
a very tough time ahead of him.
Our tough time, because we are consultations, or parliamentarians, good number of countries, say signing.
Okay.
Yes, of course. Say caucuses Caucuses you need majority leader in the house who is a parliamentary minister or a
cabinet member.
Or a cabinet member. Into the signals in because they will communicate to him. What's right on top of his mind, only woman Macachans will be signing a bill.
Yeah.
And in effect, the president is aware his members will have signed. And you cannot punish and penalize any of them for that. And the bill was not passed by NTC minority. The bill was passed by NPP majority in parliament. And he has no other thing to do than to go ahead and sign.
You think, sir, one sign about affecting the political.
Affecting the political career after working proper a presidency crown, it will go down in the history. Say he declined to sign a bill passed by his own government.
That means, as we speak, a tough time for the next leader, assuming without admitting send another one sign, whether NDC or Dr. Baumia, it will be a biggest test, and so the master any panel. And yes, sir.
Because the bill is already passed.
Yeah.
We need a signature to authorize it into action. Now do I sign in off for? Yeah, just say, the vice, and I say former president who, and I say, Nana Bidiakuna, Bidiakunebu, and I say whoever is coming and I say honorable like Chamatin, your bad Ghana president, you know, or no, you have called for discussions and go back to parliament too, or my young work maybe. It doesn't matter the next government, you know, who is in opposition and who is in majority. We don't go and bring back and some address issue to waste time. Over signing. You have to sign.
Anyway, senior, so the Ghana near Utiano pay bit me at Tias and say the America ambassador can a Huna keke. Ultimate Ghana folk.
Message in answer. Only can shut Trump. The campaign not down. Said Trump will go America and must say on their own place activism and so. And San Wabeka Ghana dear. And let me also put on record an ambassador, no ambassador on any country in this world, including the world's most smallest country, Nauru Island, with only less than 6,000 population, including St. Anthony with 5,000 populated country, including Tex and Caicos. No ambassador is bigger than any country in this world. No ambassador. Already Maka is views of the government, but continue override it. So on the Wakana from the say, a bear affect you. You have sanctions from the Baba Ghana. Now, so almost say, Baba, take this one home and educate also your friends on Akoma FM.
Yeah.
And this is exclusive. And it says, the Western nation, France, Belgium, United Kingdom, then Netherlands, United States of America, the flights Miruna Baha, Delta back to back 7 days a week, United 7 days a week, Air France 7 days a week, KLM 7 days a week, British Airways 7 days a week, Onukwa the Samata Oko 14 times 10 times a week, Emirates, some flights in Ano. So I'm still on that sanction and I said these are the things so person or chess or protest or none or grand home flight mark review. Then they mean business. When it's about Sika Union, they are their own call. When it's about on next setting, they are sober sanction. Over sanction, they are stop your aircraft from coming here. I don't know where are they in Nigeria. I don't know where are they in Nigeria. During the COVID, British Airways. No, Macquarie, and do a person in Lagos. Or Macquarie, Eric, and call London. Buhari spoke. On the flight about the sea, Abuja, or catch on so go back with the citizens of Nigeria. On find the flight and come on family. So then flight to Beba, near COVID. You said the idea, but on Tia said you'll be and or shut you down. You need a decisive leadership. It's the sanctions now, Meme Shoshano. Almost for my aircraft to non-stop. I now do Sika. KLM, Wajisika over 40 years. British Airways over 50 years. The flight back to back on my empty flight that. So sanctions in your say. In order for Ghana, my country will be said, name Sam George visa. Name on British Airways, Yabaha. Seriously? Then Ghana Parliament should be the most weakest parliament. If it has to take care, say, your best swimming here to Kwakwani and best swimming. That is it. You don't choose and pick which one satisfies you and which one that you are against. Papa Enoma.
Very terrible, and that is
bad. How the international community play the game.
That is not how.
If you want to sanction Ghana, stop your aircraft from coming. That's the first sanction Ghana will get. And a bit affecting Ghana. Now we'll play in the other back. There's no country in West Africa and take it board now at Ghana.
Of course.
And yet this is the help. There's no country and the tax, passenger tax higher at Ghana. Parliament, the country parliament is there. Modumanye. Any board, our aviation, any board of Ministry of Transport. And some are more. Salon country abroad, Salon Mamo party and the other abroad from a country say high. Because how do you benefit? High taxes on aviation passengers and need your benefit. Now I could pass in a bill. Me, if I be home, the excesses of the talk by the diplomats and then they anger me. Because some of us, we know what it is.
Senior Farouk Al Wahab, international diplomatic consultant, and I am more than grateful. Bibini Ibesan Safro. Thank you very much for Bra Wenyamai. It's just about 36 minutes past 9 and a very, very thorough education. 02